Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious waffles using Krusteaz Pancake mix. First, gather your ingredients: Krusteaz Pancake mix, water, vegetable oil, and a couple of eggs. Make sure your waffle iron is preheating to the correct temperature. Having everything ready before you start mixing makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple method ensures perfect waffles every time. Now let's prepare the batter. In a large bowl, combine the dry Krusteaz pancake mix. Then, add the recommended amounts of water, vegetable oil, and eggs. Whisk these ingredients together until they are just blended. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough waffles. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and will cook out beautifully. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Lightly grease your preheated waffle iron plates to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of batter onto the center of the iron, depending on its size. Close the lid and cook until the waffle is golden brown and steam stops rising, usually for 3 to 5 minutes. This indicates it's perfectly done. Once cooked, carefully remove your waffle from the iron using a fork or tongs. Serve it immediately with your favorite toppings, whether that's syrup, fresh fruit, whipped cream, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. These perfectly golden, fluffy waffles made with Krusteaz pancake mix are a delightful treat for any meal. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.